Morning everybody, James here, Bullets and Buttons, out here at the range again, and today I'll be shooting my Peabody in 4570. The Peabody was designed right at the end of the Civil War, didn't make it for the Civil War. A total of 112,000 were produced, various calibers, mostly for foreign import. This example right here was actually purchased by the Connecticut militia, I guess the precursor to the National Guard, 1871, and was originally chambered in 43 Spanish. 1877 they sent their 2,000 Peabodys back and had them rechambered, rebarreled in 4570, so they could shoot the 4570 405 grain. 2,000 were made, and this one is stock number 1898, so it's 2 off the 2000s. I also have a target downrange with another GoPro camera underneath it. My plan is not to shoot the other GoPro, so I'll be starting with 398 grain. These I produced like 50 of these, so I want to get them shot anyway, and we're gonna shoot 5 398 grain, go look, and then I'll shoot 5 405 grain, go look. So that's what we're going to do, and let's get started. We have a, does not want to eject. Okay, now to fix that, I'll be right back. Oh, if I didn't mention before, I've not fired this one yet. You just may have to use the rod to eject it.
It's a good groove.
Well, looks like those 398s are all over the place. That one tumbled, those two may have tumbled, nothing in the black. Interesting. Looks like she's shooting off to the right too. Well, I got 5 405 grains to shoot now. Let's see how they do.
I'm gonna run the 357 Friday. Maybe. Pretty well looks like I'm planning on Friday. I don't know how the weather's gonna be.
Well, I think it's safe to say that it is inherently inaccurate. And it's shooting a little high. Those two and that one are from before. Oh, the other ones are good shots, but high. And that looks like 2 rounds right there. So at least I hit on the paper there. Interesting. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that. Obviously, my first time shooting this gun, so I had no idea what to expect. I'm glad it shoots, too bad it doesn't eject. I've obviously got to clean out that chamber a little bit more so that the casings will eject. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it. It was a nice shooter. Good kick, or firm push as I like to say, and it's a nice weapon to shoot. I hope you enjoyed it too, and until next time, wherever you are in the world, whether you're out there shooting or out there metal detecting, bottle digging, whatever it is, happy hunting and good luck, and above all else, be safe. Talk to you later, folks. See ya. Bye.